Hey everyone, today we're putting lattice underneath a 2-story deck. I'm going to show you how we frame it up and attach the lattice and then do some trim over top. It's going to look really sweet. Let's get to work. Here's the lumber we're going to be using. We've got 1x4 Doug fir. We've got the heavy duty lattice here. This is made of cedar, and then we have our 2x4 treated lumber for our framing. So we're gonna do our bottom frames on the outside of our posts, running all the way along, and then every 4 feet we're gonna put a support 2x4 to attach the ends of our lattice pieces. Okay, so we're inside here. This is the back side of the lattice. And this is where the 2 pieces join up together. There's a little seam here. So what I'm doing is measuring from down here to up here. I'm gonna put a 2x4 that runs this way, fasten it, and then those butt joints can be stapled into there, into that 2x4, and it's gonna be super strong. Alright, so it's about 1:30 in the afternoon. We've got most all the lattice on, the side, the front. We've put in our supports behind all of the end sections. So we've got just a little bit more to go. We're doing the stairs right now. So once we have this finished up, we're going to start on the trim. We're also doing the other side of the stairs here too. That's all we have left. Then yeah, we're going to start the trim, and back there, right here, we're going to be making a door. So stay tuned for that. When we put these up here, we made sure the first one was flush where it should be on this end, and then we pretty much just went straight across level. We started with maybe 1.5 inch gap here. Our next piece went on, but we put it on according to keeping these lines nice and straight this way and or this way. And in doing so, it ended up bringing the next piece down a little bit further, the next piece down a little bit further from here. So our gap gets bigger as we go down. That also made this get closer and closer to the ground, even though we had a line originally set up. So we just marked down there where we want to cut from one end to the other, use a chalk line, hit that. So now I've got a mark, and I'm just going to run the skill saw all the way down across so we have a nice straight line. Guys, here's what it looks like day one. Got the trim put on most of the front part, all the supports behind. It's looking really good. So wherever our lattice met up, we just did a 1x4 Doug fir trim piece right over top of it. Okay, so that's it for today. We're gonna be back here tomorrow, so stay tuned. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and I will see you guys tomorrow.